Coaches po, sa mga swimmers po na nasa sa dulo, please look at the window. Thank you po. Again po, sa mga coaches po na may mga swimmers sa dulo, please look at the window. Thank you. Event 32, girls 11 to 12, 25-meter backstroke, team 2, 15. Swimming in lane 2, Coro, Samara. Swimming in lane 3, Velasco, Mary. Swimming in lane 4, Ramilo, Lu. Swimming in lane 5, Embalsador, Fatima. Again for event 35, 36, please look